I passed by my mail basket. My husband didn't tell me. I got a package from fucking Japan. I don't know why Kevin didn't tell me this shit. What the fuck, Kevin? Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maskara Cakes. My hair's up and my makeup's done because I have a holiday alumni orchestra thing at my old high school where we go back, we play the last song, Sleigh Ride, all together, all the people. They used to have Miss Schmedeke, who was my orchestra teacher, because she's the fucking best. So I'm going back to play it. So I did my makeup, holiday-ish. This is not what I'm wearing, but I'm not dressed yet. Although I need to do that really soon. So, I don't know. But I do know it's from my good friend here on YouTube, Strawberryloli Ren, who I fucking love. She's so funny. And she's great. I love hearing all the shit in Japan and all that stuff. I can't wait to visit Japan. I think she thinks I'm making that shit up. But Kevin says that since we already went to Paris, it's his turn to go to Japan. Even though I wanted to go to Japan too. So what the fuck, Kevin? Whatever. I want to go to Japan. He wants to go to Japan. That's our next international trip. But she sent me a bunch of stuff. And I'm fucking excited. And I really wanted to open it, so I thought I'd make this video real quick. And now I gotta open the package. Oh, I don't have any scissors. Fuck. Okay, I got it open. Ooh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Ren. I'll find a card, a really cool one, and I'll send it to you as soon as I can. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. All right, let's see what's in here. Ooh, she sent me a cool Kit Kat that I have no idea what flavor it is, but I'm going to eat it anyway. This is exciting. They hear they have a lot of cool Kit Kat flavors over there that we don't have here. So, ooh, melty cream lip balm. Oh, it's matcha. I fucking hate matcha, but I'll try it anyway. Maybe it tastes different in chapstick. So I'm excited about it, actually. Ooh, it's mascara. I love mascara. I really do. I'm very excited. Kiss Me. Okay, so in high school, my senior year, I took Japanese 0 hour, which is before first hour. Starts at 7 o'clock in the morning. It's fucking early. And I took like half of the semester. And then I got fucking stupid and lazy. And I stopped. Like, I would get to class, like to school, because my mom would bring me before work. But I just wouldn't go to class. I'm fucking dumb. I don't know why I did that. And the only thing I remember in Japanese, well, I remember like ohayou gozaimasu and what was hello? Oh, shit. I know what it is. I can't think of it right now. Say hello on the phone is something else. I know ohayou gozaimasu. I know I know stuff. But the like other weirder phrase that I remember for some reason is tabemasen, which I think is something about being hungry. It's funny because I'm a fat ass, and of course I remember being hungry in a different language. I don't know, I'm stupid. But that's what I remember. But this is covered in Japanese, and I have no idea what it says. But I'm very excited to try it. Like, super excited. I mean, my name's fucking Maskara Cakes. Of course I like mascara. Fuck out of here. Ooh! Super Mario something. It feels squishy. Oh, maybe it's gummies. I don't know, but it's Super Mario. I like Mario. I'm excited. I don't know. I'm not sure what it is. They look like fruit snacks or something. But I don't know. So I'm excited to open it and figure it out. If you want me to eat this stuff in a video, let me know. And I will do that. Oh, I'm so fucking excited. I love this stuff. I bought it off Amazon once because of Michelle Wong. And it's the Can Make Quick Lash Curler. It makes your lashes curl for real if you do it like the right way. So thank you so fucking much because mine was gone. I just haven't rebought it. Thank you. I'm so fucking excited. I love that shit. Oh, I don't know why I didn't read the card first. Okay. And there's another Kit Kat. Ooh, I really like this green color. But I don't know what flavor that would be. Okay. Oh, yeah. She used this on her channel. And they're like, geisha. I think geisha, right? Faces like that pattern is on the mask. I'm excited to try this. And I would definitely do this one on camera because that's so cool. Thank you! Or I might do my own mask and make my husband wear this one. Because that would be funny. And she did some... I don't know why I didn't read this first. Oh, it's got strawberry tape on the back because she's Strawberryloli. Oh, it's so cute. It's got a little sushi. I love sushi. I have to save the strawberry tape. Aww. Happy holidays, Kara. So glad to be able to connect with people such as yourself through YouTube. Ren. Aww. Oh my god, I love this card. This is going in my holiday decor for the rest of my life. I don't know what this is. And it's got chopsticks on it. I'm not sure what it is. Is it chopstick holder? I don't know. What is this, Ren? Let me know. But look, it's a tree with fucking sushi on it. How fucking adorable is that? Holy shit. I love it so much. Like, I'm going to put this in a frame and I'm going to hang it on my wall. Oh, fuck. Shut the fuck up. This is the coolest shit ever. Holy crap. It stands up and it's a sushi Christmas tree. I fucking love this. Told you I was gonna put this shit up on my mantle. Thank you so much, Ren. I'll put a card together and I'll send it to you. Thank you so much. Please go check out her channel. She's hilarious, funny. She does a lot of Japanese makeup and skincare and this really cool shit. I love watching her channel. She cracks me up. But yeah, this is going to be in my Christmas every year for the rest of my life. This is so fun. Go look. It's a sushi tree. I love sushi. Alright, well that was a cool package I got from Strawberryloli. I'll link her channel below. Thank you so much for watching. Short little video. Thank you so much. I love you, Ren. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day. Bye. See you next time.